18 signs of selfish people. They expect others to change for themselves. Selfish people don't listen to their partner's opinion. Selfish people can do anything for their advantage. Selfish people always try to find rich friends. Selfish people don't care about others' feelings and hurt them. Selfish people do not share their things to others. They criticize others behind their back. They bring others down to build themselves up. Selfish people compare every little things of others. Selfish people are good gossipers and they always discuss negative things. Selfish people tend to be jealous for the success of others. Selfish people never stop to cheat you, no matter how much you love them. Selfish people talk more about their success. Selfish people pretend that they do a lot for others. Selfish people believe that they deserve everything. Selfish people not listen to those who don't agree with them. Selfish people show themselves very nice and innocent. Selfish people do not understand sacrifice.